Hello. Very good morning, everyone. So, I would like to start by stating a personal incident that I just had. So, one of my cousins recently, she was stranded in flood, and the relief funds were announced immediately, but they were not able to reach her in time. So, at times like these, it's not just about the funds, but it's about the time when the person needs it, the person should be getting it. I have a quick question for everyone. So, you all might have, I'm assuming you might have donated in GoFundMe events and everything. How many of you have done it? Like, actually, right? So, do you all actually know if your funds that you've transferred have they actually reached to the victims? Do you have any track of it? No? So we are here to state the solution to this, which is 8R, which is going to give us a platform to track every transaction, and we make sure that this black box, which is there between the people who want to actually help and the victims who actually need the help, we get it and we get to know about it as well. So my friend Sushant is going to explain you through the walkthrough of this ideation of how we came up about this project.
Thank you, Dhwani, for the warm introduction. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushant. So today I'm going to talk about the project which we have designed. So our project is AidArc AI-powered USDC payment automation, which is submitted under Track 2 real-world app payments of this hackathon. So today, we identify the users of this project who are fund relief people and enterprise payments. So here we started with brainstorming what are all the needs and problems that enterprise people face. So we brainstormed like what are all the issues that are faced during the disaster. So here in the needs, we need an automated payments wallet creation, and in the problem we brainstorm like how. So usually when we request a fund for disaster, it takes manual approvals, levels of approvals. So those were the problems which we identified, and to bridge that problem, we designed this AI arc solution. So in big ideas, we identified like how enterprise payments can be made automatically using USDC. So we identified like how to build a no-code AI payment orchestrator using ASDC. So we designed a automated payment orchestration using IBM Watson service, and behind that we have created two wallets, which is in the Circle using Circle SDKs. So in the idea prioritization quadrant, we identified that payment orchestration has the most impact because uh, enterprise payments, like in real time, we want to see how AI agents can automate this behind in process. So in hypothesis section, we identified the use case like we have so aid arc bridges the gap between automation and innovation in finance industry. So these are the users which we have. The hypothesis meets our idea. So over to Dhwani.
Next slide. So, like we see, the iceberg is just the visible issue, but we have a lot of other problems that we deal with, which is the operational symptoms, systematic causes, compliance barriers, and the strategic rules. So, to overcome, next slide, please. Yeah. So our solution, which is ADARC platform, it's a no-code AI payment orchestrator, which has four major components, which is AI triggered wallet creation, automated USDC transfer via Circle APIs, conditional and recurring payment logic, and real-time fraud detection. So we make sure that we actually get the funds in time through a automated process, which we skip through a lot of administrator, a lot of paperwork, and all those things, which apparently takes a lot of time. So these are the four features, which is AI orchestration, automated wallet creation, fraud detection, and Circle Sandbox dashboard. So let's see what the benefits are from the organization point of view and from the user point of view as well. So from the organization point of view, like if we say the government, So if the government actually wants to help out to the victims, what all are the benefits that they would be having after using this, which is enhanced efficiency. They'll have a lot of cost savings because the entire process is automated, no manual work, no administration. Fraud prevention, because we actually use the GPS coordinates to check whether the victim is actually in that particular location, and we go through a multiple layer of steps to see how valid this is. So we even improve the accuracy of our model, improve transparency and data accuracy. So, and from the customer point of view, the victim point of view, there are cost savings, transparency, faster payments that the victims receive, and risk mitigation. So this is the target users and the market segmentation. So the developers and fintech startups, which the developers who use Circle API, they all are the target audience, and we have a total addressable market of $60 billion. And with the growing adoption of the Circle's USDC and AI orchestration rules, we have a huge target audience to market. So let me just walk you through the UI that we've basically built right now. So we also have thought about a prototype in which we will have the events like the floods, natural disaster, whatever, just come up directly through an AI model. And we also have a portal in which we can create a particular incident, like me or any victim can create an incident. And then I just have to put my details, the latitude and the longitude coordinates are automatically detected with the help of GPS, and we go through a set of steps which we do not show here. We do manual, we do automated backend automation to check if the victim is actually real, to check the accuracy. And once it is done, it goes to the next stage, which is in the review and payroll. So we get the option. So the customer has put in the data, the victim has put in the data. Now it's up to us for accepting it or rejecting it. So we can reject it according to the machine learning model that we have, and if we accept it, it's directly connected to the USDC transfer, so the money directly gets transferred.
So we have also designed an AI assistant, which is an AI agent using IBM Watson service. So this is the AI agent which goes through a series of predefined rules inside the service. So here you can see what problems you are reporting, and these are the AI generated ticket number, the issue, and it has been directed to the respective issue team. So we'll see the demo video because we have it handy. So this is a working of our uh, demo, and we also have the USDC transfer, which we are using custodial developer based wallet to initiate the fund transfer from one wallet to other wallet. So we are using Node.js and Circle SDK for custodial wallet.